In this video, I'll be showing you how I delete multiple chats in ChatGPT to keep my workspace clean and organized. I'm starting right here on the home page, and as you can see, my sidebar is getting a bit cluttered with old conversations. To handle this, I'll first show you how I clear everything at once for a total fresh start. I'll navigate to the bottom left corner and click on my profile name to open the account menu. From there, I'll select Settings, and once the window pops up, I'll click on Data Controls from the left-hand sidebar. To wipe my entire history, I'll find the Delete All Chats option and click the red Delete All button. A confirmation box will appear to make sure I don't do this by mistake, and I'll click Confirm Deletion to proceed. Now, if I don't want to lose every single conversation and instead want to remove just a few specific ones, I have to handle those a bit differently. Since there isn't a native Select Multiple button in the standard interface yet, I'll close the settings window and go back to my sidebar. For each chat I want to remove, I'll hover over the title until the three-dot menu icon appears. I'll click that icon, select Delete from the dropdown, and then click Delete one last time to confirm. I'll repeat this quick process for every individual thread I want to clear out. It only takes a second for each one, and it's a great way for me to prune my list while keeping my most important projects intact. If you found this walkthrough helpful for managing your own AI history, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.